Good day everyone. Good day to all viewers. I am Jonathan F. Camiña, proudly from Coronadal City, Philippines. Belongs First Batcher MMM Philippines Guider School. Today, I introduce to you the MMM ideology, rules and regulation, and how does it works. Sergi Mabrodi is a founder of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergi Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. What is MMM? MMM, a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is not a bank, does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, hype, investment, or MLM program. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind and to each other. We donate money when we can do it. We get money when we need. The ideology, the modern world is bad. It is inhumane, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money, for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires. And people are mere pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. How does it works? In MMM, there are no contracts or pledges for your property, no lenders and no debtors, no central account where all the money flows to and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is distributed between the participants themselves. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one. The future of money. Bitcoin, a type of digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds, operating independently of central bank. Bitcoins can be used for online transactions between individuals. MMM uses Bitcoins to do transactions between participants. What are the benefits? Registration bonus. Donate $50 to $499, you will earn a registration bonus of $20. Donate $500 to $2,999, you will receive a registration bonus of $50. Donate over $3,000, you will receive a registration bonus of $100. Mabro growth. For every deposit, our stand is 30% increase monthly. You can go up to 100% increase monthly doing daily tasks, which are MMM Extra. Video bonus. Once you upload a video to YouTube, with your face in it, you receive a 5% bonus of the sum of the help you receive. You will receive 3% bonus if no face is in video. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all the deposits of the participant you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM network can exist without development and participants' encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant and their structures make. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. Rules and regulation of MMM. Assistance is given from one of the community to another is a non-repayable donation of money. The participants should donate only spare money. Members of the MMM community should be kind and honest to each other. The condition of mutual aid and bonus programs, as well as the quantity of awarded Mabrus, could be changed at any moment for better operation of the community. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. Multiple registration and creating multiple accounts are forbidden. One participant can register only one account. In case of violation of this rule, all accounts of the participant will be blocked. There are no restrictions on the withdrawal of any amount. However, there are restrictions of the entry not more than $10,000 per participant. In order to maintain the system stability, the minimal amounts to deposit is $10. Again, I'm Jonathan F. Camiña. Thank you for watching this video. Long live MMM. Together, we can change the world.